Hello friends, in this video I'm going to create a random color code generator. So whenever I click on this generate color button, it will automatically change the background of the page and also displays the color code here. So this is the HTML code for this page. I have created a div which is with the name of color, and I have the code section that is what displayed in here, and then generate color button, and I have added the style for my HTML in this style.css. I just remove the margin and padding, then I just change the color container to have the width and height of 100% and 100%, and I set the background to background color as tomato. Then I just changes the color to a flex container, and the direction will be in the column, and I make sure that the children's were aligned and justified in the center. So the next thing is the change button. I have removed the border and given the border radius as 3 pixel and given some width and height and given some background and color. The code is the section here. I have given the color as white and font size is 30 pixel, padding 10 pixel, and I removed the outline. So I just want to remove the outline here. Yeah, now you don't see any outline here. And make sure the pointer to cursor to pointer. So when I remove that, you can see that's working fine. So go to the script and just find the button is equal to document get element by id. My button has the id of change. So what I'm gonna do is, now this button will be stored in the btn. I need to add the event listener. For that, add event listener. I need to listen for the click event. Whenever the click event happen, I can call this I can execute this function. This function will just generate the hexa code. So how we can generate the code is, go to the inspect. We can generate the random numbers by math.random. So now you can see it generates a random number. So whenever I multiply the random number with 0 or else multiplies with 0xFFF 6f's, so this is the hexadecimal highest value. When you press enter, you can see here. So after multiplying that with the highest hexadecimal value, just do this left shift on. You just, whenever you do like this, the floating point will be converted in the whole numbers. Then what you need to do is you need to convert those number into hexadecimal format. For that, you can apply toString. When you pass 16 as an argument, then it will convert that integer into a string or in the hexadecimal format. So now you can see it will generate some random hexadecimal code. So what you need to do is you need to copy this code here and create a variable, let new color equal to, copy that code, then check, or else you can just cut that and create a function above the event listener. This function will generate the color code. Just return, remove this. Now whenever the function is called, it will return a color code. We need to add a hash before that. For that, you need to just include the hash and use the plus sign. Now come to this console and check whether it works. You can generate color code. Now you can see 2 4 only 5 letters. Now you can see there is a 6 one Now it has 6. Sometime it results in 7 characters. So just check if let new color equal to generate color code. If the new color length, new color dot length is less than 7, or new color dot length is greater than 7, then you need to again call the generate color code. So you need to do in the while loop. So while the new color dot length is less than 7, or the new color dot length is greater than 7, we need to call the new color, so that when the length double equal to 7, then this condition won't be executed. Or else you can do like this: new color, instead of checking 2 times, you can not equal to 7, then this while loop will be executed. Then what I need to do is I need to set the background color of this color, and for that variable container is equal to document dot get element by id of color. I need to change the container color, so you can set the container dot style dot background color is equal to new color. That's it. And we need to change the code. You can see here you need to append the hexadecimal code. For that you need to do variable code is equal to document dot get element by id of code. Then you need to set that inner html to code dot inner html is equal to new color. I think that's it. So close this, click on this, you can see it is automatically generating some random colors. That looks nice. You can also do like you can add color transition. I don't know whether it works. I'm just gonna try this transition all 0.1 second linear. So now you can see it's changing in a nice way. It is like an animated background change. So you just play around with this. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next video.